Educational Podcast Sounds. You are now listening to Educational Podcast Sounds by teacher Dr. Tarat Malai Charles.
Communication and digital technologies for education. Currently, the trend of learning methods has shifted the learning center to the learner, not the teacher. Research from books or textbooks cannot compete with researching through the vast amount of information on the system, internet at all. Information technology directly affects teaching and learning between teachers and students, causing the current teaching to be reversed. The look allows the teacher to play a role early in guiding and designing. Activities include creating conditions that can help learners assess their learning progress self-only. Therefore, the learning direction of learners in the digital age should take into account situations and trends, changes in learning behavior and learning needs of learners, future trends and their application in Thai society. Designing digital learning needs to be flexible and responsive. Student goals analysis of problem factors in learning that will lead to goals is the heart of the design learner learning environment. Technology refers to everything related to the production, creation, and use of things, processes, or devices that do not exist in nature. Technology can be classified into three types: technology in the form of process, technology in the form of product technology, and technology in the form of a mixture of process and product in the application of technology to work in a particular field. It will help in three important things and is considered a criterion for considering the use of technology as well as efficiency, effectiveness, and economy. Is the application of techniques, methods, concepts, materials, equipment, and things that come from technology to be used in the education industry in order to solve educational problems. The introduction of technology in education has been around since BC. Later, before World War II began to be used, blackboard, slates, limited textbooks, and few visual materials. After World War II, audio-visual tools were used to solve teaching and learning problems. The U.S. military has developed materials, equipment, and techniques for use in training during war and an overview of the current developments. The broad scope of educational technology can be divided into three areas: mass learning, individual education, and group learning. Digital age education is to change the country's education system from the original to digital education in order to reduce educational inequality through the application of digital technology, access to knowledge, resources, and media, teaching of equal quality. Learning media refers to everything allow the learner that helps learners to learn, such as people, animals, things, nature, including events or concepts, with a focus on promoting research or seeking knowledge on their own. Enables students to continue learning throughout their lives. Is the use of materials, equipment, and methods as a medium for educating students. In order to achieve the aim of effective teaching, which teaching media and learning media have the same two issues: tools used in learning and used for teaching. The different sections include roles in learning and design. Multimedia is the use of computers to communicate various information such as text, still images, animation, sound, and video in the presentation of content or media, meaning to be interesting, stimulating, and more fun in learning. Multimedia is divided into two types, namely multimedia for presenting information and multimedia for interactive self-learning. The benefits of multimedia are many: teaching benefits, advertising and public relations, entertainment and recreation, printing, business, and telecommunications. Preliminary criteria to determine what media is or isn't multimedia for learning. Information, interpersonal, differences, interactions, and immediate feedback. Multimedia lessons for learning can be structured into two main classes: linearly structured lessons and non-linearly structured lessons, and has 9 major components, which are the introduction part, the lesson explanation part, objective section, menu, content practice section, summary, quiz, and score summary.